Sorkar TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar kalasyem ya karay ban Pynduh no yaki optional subject ha ka exam MCS. Namar ba ka Sorkar kalalab baki optional subject kimdon jingye day AA bat ka kam ka baki officer kitray. Bat sakaway ka day namar ba ki optional subject ki sukpalat bat katba nang mi uwayusnam kinang suk. Nalor kata u menteri rang ba kajala u Konrad ki sangma uloong. Ba ka jingsyam jing ya ka MPSC bakan penya ya ki exam na kabenta ki optional subject bat ka Sorkar ka syem ya kani karay katkum ka jing ajung mod jong ka reform committee ka MPSC ka Sorkar kanwan ra da ki weipat ki subject ha ka baki samla ki bayakhun ya ka exam ki day bantep syapang ka yo ka kot ka jala ka riti ka dustur bat ki khana syapang ka jala.
So we have also decided today to discontinue the optional subject in the MCS competitive exams. Now, as you know, in the competitive exams, there are certain set subjects. And apart from the certain set subjects, there is an optional subject. So a student can take the optional subject as mathematics, as geography, history, whatever, and there are 23 of them. Now, what happens is that because of the optional subjects, sometimes the level playing field is not there because it depends on those 23 subjects that are optional. Some years, some optional subjects are easier compared to others. Sometimes the marking systems are easier compared to others. And there seems to be kind of an undue advantage that comes as per the optional subject the individual takes. So there are 23 of them. And also, it is a huge task for MPSC to conduct these optional exams that are there. And therefore, based on the recommendations that have been given by the MPSC itself and by a MPSC reform committee that was formed quite some time back, this particular suggestion has been given, and we have decided in the cabinet to accept that suggestion. And this optional subject paper that was there in the MCS service is now going to be removed. And in the future, rather, we will have a subject which will be on Meghalaya. We will introduce a subject on Meghalaya where we would like to ask and allow our, candidates to know the different aspects of Meghalaya, its economics, its culture, its different aspects of its, of its history. All of these things will be introduced in the Meghalaya subject because you're going to be officer of the Meghalaya Civil Service. So therefore, we'll remove the optional subject and we will put in a subject on our state of Meghalaya. And of course, there'll be different aspects to it. So those details, there will be a committee or a group of officials who will work that out and recommend on what kind of subjects and what aspects should be put in there. So this was a very important decision, a very important reform, I should say, which will help in conducting the MCS exams in a much faster and much quicker manner. And more importantly, it will allow a level playing field for all the candidates who apply.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hundriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hundriu san pra hinyo lai pra